Madam
Yes, customer.
Please, what do you have in your kitchen? Because what I'm seeing here is not. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Bawojare, Marrakesh, you are looking so good, though. But this country is not looking good at all. If this country will look good the way you are looking good, I'm telling you, this country will be wonderful. Marrakesh, go to the this and give me something, please.
Okay. Okay.
Only before you know, everybody is trying to share what belongs to the Yoruba people. Everywhere we are doing something, we are Ọmọ Hausa, Bawojare, Ayekabo, Obeni. I'm talking about something. This country is making me mad. Do you know that this country? I'm not saying you people because I know that the government is your hand. You understand it? Oh, there is money that they gave to us to share. And you understand it? They're giving us this money, and this money was shared among the Nigerians. But they gave us a little, very little bit. They gave us. There is something I was telling to this man. I was telling him something. In this country where we are, they gave money to people for people to share, and this is for all Nigerians. You understand? You know me and you were one, but I know that this thing came from the north.
Wait.
So
no. We are not one. We are not one. Not both of you share the money.
Let me tell you something. I will tell you something.
No, they bring money and give you people. Okay, we share the money. We are one Nigeria for mouth, but for you people share the money. Which one you give Igbo people?
Which one you give? Do you know that the fathers are making our great in this country?
No.
And all the
what are you people talking about?
I am telling you that you
really talking about. Me, I come out to here. Mother Cassie, come out to another drinking. I go. What do you people talking about?
Go. Let me tell you something.
See, you Yoruba and Hausa are sharing things in Nigeria. Which one they are giving Igbo people? Nothing.
They are giving you people.
Which one?
You bring the money. You know that all of us we know. We know that Igbo man don't even need this money. You understand?
Why?
Igbo man. Let me tell you. The Igbo man
not
is
part of the government.
The Igbo man is
are we not controlling
the Nigerian economy.
Let me tell people.
Under normal circumstances, it's even the Igbo man that is practicing this one Nigeria.
If truly we want Nigeria to be one, if they bring something, they share it equally.
Well,
let me tell you.
I am trying. You know, I am trying to bring us my
international.
Madam Kashi, you are not giving me anything.
Wait.
I want to go.
International.
I want to go.
Please. Do we have? One in Lagos.
My son
one in Abuja.
My son is calling me.
Don't go.
Kule.
No, wait.
Kule, Kule.
You see?
I'm coming.
You are going.
My boy is studying my life here. I'm coming.
They bring something and share. They cannot remember Igbo people, and we are one Nigeria. What nonsense, one Nigeria? What nonsense, one Nigeria? Mother Catch.
Where is people?
You see them? They are here. They talk. Waiting and no.
Where they?
They don't go. They say they bring money. They give. They share. They don't remember Igbo people. The airport we have today. How many airports? One in Lagos, one in Abuja. Which one in the east? We have seaports in Lagos. Which one in the east?
Shit! Bullshit! What? Damn! Ogene? That's bullshit. You didn't see Hebo and all that? Damn, Ogene is bullshit.